Okay, so welcome to this week's market review and expectation. So as I do every week, I take a look at what I was expecting in the previous week's delivery against what I expect the following week to perform. Yeah, so this is the dollar index, and then as I always start with, so this feed is from XNS, and then in the previous week, these candles hadn't formed. Okay, let me. Yeah, so in the previous week, these candles hadn't formed. Okay, so all these candles hadn't formed. Yeah, so I was still looking at the higher end of this fair value gap. Okay, so the fair value gap is right here from that's on the weekly time frame. We have that fair value gap, and then this here is a midpoint, as I've been talking about for the past few weeks now. Yeah, so in the previous week, I was not actually looking at price dropping. Okay, having these retracements, I was just looking at, since we were left with just a few pips, about 70 pips to reach in from where we closed at. Okay, about 70 pips to reach in there. I was just looking at this week to hit that target, but we had a deeper retracement. On Monday we actually traded much higher. If you take a look at the lower time frame, like this 1 hour, this is Monday's trading. Okay, so we opened on Sunday right here. Okay, and then we traded up. Okay, leaving about 20 pips from the high to the target is about 20 pips, or let's say 22 pips. Yes, and then we had our deeper retracements down. Okay, we had a deep retracement down. Yeah, so I was denied of the targets, and it is part of the game. So I'm still looking at price actually hitting the targets. Where we are now, I've not seen any kind of signals or signs in the market that actually gives me any conviction that price is going to reverse. Okay, just this one was just an unforeseen retracement into this particular fair value gap. Okay, this fair value gap from the low here and then the high here. Okay, into that particular fair value gap, you can see it right there. We dropped into it, and so on Friday we traded into about 50% of the weekly range. Okay, so I'm still looking at this coming week being a bullish week. So I'm looking at price reaching into or gravitating towards our target, the final target, which is about it's about 100 pips from where we've closed right now. Okay, yeah, so I'm still holding on to my bullish stance, the dollar index, until proving otherwise. Okay.